Good morning guys, oh. May first catch sa tayong huli guys. Di ko lang alam guys. Ay, maputi guys. Alright. Guys, oh. Buenas tayo guys. May sinigang tayo ngayon. Ha? Oh, tindi siya tayo sini. I'm not fishing, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee. Mr. B. Ma, good morning. 10 days o 11 days. Hindi tayo nag-fishing guys, oh. First cast agad natin. At least makatikin man tayo guys ng maputi agad after many days. Because my gout is very pain. That's why I don't show up in the beach side guys. Ay. Okay lang. Dito din sa atin guys. Guys, oh. I playing the agwas guys, but that's it. Yeah. Easy to catch the agwas guys. Ayan guys, oh, naka-apat na tayong agwas guys, oh. There, 1, 2, 3, 1 maputi and the agwas. Alright, sige lang guys. Kahit the good size is good already for me. Continuous ko lang guys. At this walking distance and distance. By the way guys, my car is already okay. That the brake malfunction, according to the Toyota Micron, it's a 4,000, but they have another the brake fluid. The hose is broken guys. That's why I waiting again, maybe like 2 weeks again guys for my car. But by the way, very close to my house. I'm only walking guys. Let's go. At least after 10 days, it's time again to fishing because my gout is well okay already guys. Right, set out to the Daddy Under Ilocano Under guys. Good morning guys. Sabi guys, oh, continuous na natin guys. Isa na, ayun, oh. Ay, maputi naman guys, oh. Non-stop biting guys. Non-stop biting. And guys, so kahit not big size but still good. At least after 10 days, I have the fish. Si Papa Jerry again. Yeah. See? Very fast, dito lang ako guys. Walking distance lang. If my car is okay, that's the time I'm going somewhere, anywhere. To try fishing again guys. At least continuous blessing for me. Alright, the blessing to Mama, to Papa Jerry guys. At least mayroon pa na activities ngayon guys. After my gout, I'm okay already guys. So sana yun, lutay guys, but still a bite. Maputi guys, oh, still bite guys. Even low tide. Oh, it's big size already guys. Woo, thank you Lord. Guys, oh. Look, I catching guys, but the small one, I making the bait for the big size of the short fish, but the short fish don't show up guys. At least on natin guys, habang low tide. At least continuous biting. Alright. Alright guys, already 12, time to go home. At least my house like 10 minutes or 15 minutes walking guys from this beach side. At least how many days I don't trying fishing because my gout. I remember last 2 weeks ago, my spot in basketball court, very pain. That's why I miss maputi again guys, si Mama. I mean like I'm boring, sorry guys, like I'm boring already to taking the video now, but I trying my best to video for my memory again, this place again. See, very low tide. Next time maybe I bring my box to walking, but the problem is very hot, but this time it's not hot. Right, see the beautiful beach side in Cherangkano, guys. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, si Ricto is very busy, guys. At least mayroon tayong activities. Okay, sa pagpipising natin, guys. Meron naman tayong activities. Last 2 weeks ago, this one, guys, may angle. That's a very pin, may gout. And then this one again. But I feel now okay. A little bit. But that's why today, I try fishing again, guys. At least may activities ako ngayon. Kasi yung may ka until now already there in the Toyota. The problem that one is a brake manufactured. They now hose of the brake fluid again, guys. That's why I waiting order that one. I already order. Maybe I wait again 2 weeks or 1 week, and I bring to the Toyota again the brake fluid hose, guys. Okay, by the way, before I forgot, guys, this is machine today for make pinamalhan o sinigan o fry cook, right? At least not zero again, guys. Ito lang yan, guys. At least time to go home. Alright, not bad already for me, guys. See, even the water is low tide, at least still catching. Right, by the way, the small one supposed to be, guys, I using for the bait, but I don't see it, the sword piece again. I think it's low tide because I already came like 11, but this time 12:30. Time to go home. Alright, enjoy na kayo dyan. Mr. B, and God bless, guys. I love you guys, and I love you, mama in the sea. See you soon again. What my activities. But yes, yesterday I'm very sad, guys, because my dog, the oldest dog, si Blackie, the black one, I already taking video that before I leaving in Saipan. But he died in February 28. Very sad to Papa Jill, guys. After 15 years on that dog, guys. Yeah, that's lifetime. Alright, see you soon, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please, God bless you. And tomorrow again, I don't know what my schedule, guys. Maybe I try that spot. Yeah, I tried tomorrow in spot, but maybe I came early. Okay. Alright, thank you, guys, for watching. Love you, guys. Woohoo!